everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video I am going to be creating this look right here. As you can see, a very soft glam makeup look as the title suggests. So if you want to know more that how I achieved this look, then please do keep on watching. First, I'll be starting with a primer. As you all know, I'm using the PAC Pore Minimizing Primer.
Next, I'm using my hand to blend that out.
Next, to add that extra glam onto my face, I'll be using an illuminating cream. I'm using the Maybelline Master Strobing Cream in the shade Nude. Next, I'm going to be using a foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So many of you who have watched my previous videos, they do have the same question that why I am starting with a foundation, because I'm a person who always start with a concealer. But as far as the lockdown is concerned, I am totally running out of my concealer, so that I'll be using this foundation as my foundation as well as my concealer.
One is the Fit Me concealer in the shade medium and the other one is the Age Rewind concealer in the shade light.
And for that contour part, I'll be using this Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Oaks on You. This concealer has a peach undertone in it, so it will help to cancel out all those darkness underneath my eyes. And this concealer has a very pink undertone, so it will sort of help me to highlight my face. I'm using a brush to just blend out the cream contour, otherwise this too is going to mix up with the blender. That's what happens to me. Next, for my powder contour part, I'll be using this eyeshadow palette from Sivana Colors. This is an eyeshadow palette, but this does a great job as a powder contour. So I will be mixing up these two shades right here. This is a cool tone brown shade and this is a warm tone brown shade.
Place that on top of my cream contour. Can you see how snatched my face is looking like?
Next, move on to my eyes. I will be using the same eyeshadow palette from Sivana Colors.
For my eyeshadow today, I will be using this shade right here as my transition color. Next, I will be using this dark brown shade for my crease.
My eyes are gonna be very minimal but with a twist, so wait for that. I want my face makeup to come out more than my eye makeup. Next, for my lid today, I will be using this shade. I want to keep it all matte. I have mixed those two brown shades for my lower lash line. Next up, I will move on to a hot red lipstick. Now this is from Gala of London in the shade Hot Red. This is one of my favorite red lipstick, and I think this red lipstick is going to suit every Indian skin tone. Now I'm going to apply that on my lips. I am going to use this as my eyeliner today.
So I have taken an eyeliner brush, and what I'm going to just do is, I'm just going to take this red lipstick onto the brush.
Next, for my mascara today, I will be using this Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline. Once I'm done with my two eyes, I will move on to my blush. For my blush today, I will be using this NYKAA Molten Matte Lip and Cheek color in the shade Rachel. It's a very corally sort of a color, so it will, I think, go with this whole look really well. Next, for my lips today, I will be using this Blue Heaven Splash lip color in the shade Chocolate Mood. I'm going to top that up with the NYKAA Lip Lingerie in the shade Seduction.
I am just going to apply that on the center of my lips. Yes.
Next, I am going to set my whole face using this PAC Micro Finish Fixing Spray.
Next, for my highlighter, I will be using the Sivana Shimmer highlighter. I am going to stick this color right at the top. Oh my goodness. My skin is looking like I just took my shower. My NYKAA is a little bit of shame shade.
So this is it for today's video. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, you know the deal what to do. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. Stay tuned for my next one. Till then, take care.